We grew up in a family where taking care of people was normal. My grandfather was a doctor, the kind who would visit patients at home. And my father ended up following his footsteps, but in dentistry. Educating people in the classroom and unconsciously at home. It shaped the way we see dentistry and the way we see people.
A fun memory, when I was really young, my father and my mother went for dinner and I stayed home with the nanny. When they got back home, they saw me with some dentist tools, pretending them that I was my nanny's dentist. Since early on, we want to treat people the way we saw our father treating his patients. It's part of our heritage.
Temos a sorte e algum mérito de conseguir arranjar este grupo de pessoas. Eu não diria que é como família, eu diria que é família.
As brothers, we often talk about the way we saw our father, why we were growing up. It was like watching excellence every single day.
That excellence served as a benchmark in our clinic. I really believe that dentistry isn't just a profession, it's a bond. Every day we learn with each other, and from there it's like a relay race.
We sit down and we plan using IXL digital tools, which are crucial to imagine the ideal result together. After that, my brother does all the surgical part. I do all rehabilitation, and we speak the same language. So when we plan a case, we're always on the same page. Some of the most emotional moments for us came from frontal rehabilitations.
And in those cases, iGuide brings us precision and accuracy. That's why we choose Straumann, because for us it has been a safe haven.
When we look at Straumann, we feel like a family as well. We're not just a client, we feel more like a partner, bringing joy to people's lives together.
And if the next generation decides to continue this path, we want them to know that we are part of something bigger than ourselves.
Eu acho que as pessoas, quando passam por esta vida, eu acho que é obrigatório deixar uma pegada. O legado que nós cá deixamos tem mais a ver com o presente e que o que fica cá para o futuro.
Straumann IXL. Unleash your power.